watch remains in effect
Another EAS
until
is coming.
11 p.m. for central Illinois. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mason County, northern Menard County, southeastern Fulton County, northeastern Cask.
Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Logan County, southwestern McLean County, northwestern DeWitt County until 9 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beeson, or 10 miles west of Clinton, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Hayworth, Rapella, Waynesville, Kenny, Beeson, Midland City, and Hallsville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central Illinois.